The Conti MC Ultima is a precision instrument. It has a tri-zone heating system for temperature stability and Conti's industry-leading soft infusion. As with all precision instruments, it requires some extra setup and calibration. Following the instructions in the manual provided, install the espresso machine. Hook up the water and power supply and ensure the waste is connected and draining. Using the rocker switch under the left side of the drip tray, turn on your machine. Once your machine is turned on, you will hear the internal pump start to fill the machine. If you don't hear a pump activate, please watch the activating the pump video right here on YouTube. Once the pump finishes filling, we need to run the first install program. To do this, we need to access standby mode by touching and holding the center of the main display. Then press and hold the cog icon to access the technical menu. You will then see the menu screen. In the top right corner there is a key icon. Press this and enter the password, which is 1956. All of the icons will now be illuminated. The blue circle icon with a computer is the installation menu. Tap this icon and you are presented with 4 options. Select the first install. Use the plus key that is now on screen to scroll to yes and tap the tick icon to activate the program. The machine will now run a series of actions to ensure your coffee network is fully saturated and functional. Water will dispense from the group, and this is intentional, and for this reason it is important to ensure the waste is connected before initiating the program. Once the first install program is complete, your espresso machine will revert back to the install menu. Use the back icon on screen to enter the main menu, back again to enter standby mode, and then press the power key to turn the machine back on. Now let your machine heat to the ideal temperature. When your machine is fully heated, it's time to run the circuit purge program. The circuit purge program is designed to evacuate all air from the coffee network, ensuring pressure stability, which is key to one of the functions of this machine. Note, circuit purge will not work effectively if the machine is not hot. Following the same process as the first install, enter standby mode and access the technical menu. Then select the icon with the key and use the password 1956. Select the installation icon again and this time select the circuit purge program. Use the plus key to scroll to yes and the tick key to activate the program. If your workspace is quiet, you will hear air being evacuated down the waste as the air escapes through the purge valves. Your machine will then revert back to the installation menu. From the installation menu, press the return key to go back to the technical menu. From the technical menu, go back to the standby mode, and then press the power icon to turn your machine on and allow it to reheat again. It is advised to run the circuit purge program at least 2 times, ensuring the machine heats up in between. If after the second time you notice more than a couple of short bursts of air escape, continue to repeat until you hear a noticeable decrease in the air escaping. Once you finish your circuit purge, your coffee network is now primed and ready. It's time to continue with the programming of the settings. The next feature to set up is the digital pressure display. With the Monte Carlo models, the physical manometers are hidden behind the group panels. We can calibrate the manometers by entering the technical menu again, by entering standby mode, hold menu, enter the password, enter the installation menu, and this time we select pressure calibration. When selected, the pump will activate and you will see a theoretical value and a correct value on screen. Look behind the group on the right side. You will notice a gauge running from 0 to 16 bars. You will need to read this gauge and then adjust the correct value on the screen to match what you see on the manometer. Once the two figures match, hit the return key to save the setting. Then use the back icon to enter the technical menu. Press back again to enter standby mode. Then press the power icon to turn the machine back on. For now, your machine is set up. For more useful tips and tricks, make sure to follow the MC Ultima playlist right here on YouTube.